Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bria. I am a fashion designer. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to properly measure a dress form. Now I am using a PGM Pro dress form. So let's go ahead and get into my mix and let's do it. So below I have made a list of everything that you guys will need to be measuring. Basically from the center front all the way to the center back, honey, okay? Alright, hunties. So first we're going to start by measuring shoulder to shoulder, and that's from left to right, and shoulder bone to shoulder bone from left to right, and that should measure around 15 inches. We are now measuring the back chest, and that's from the center of the armhole to the other center of the back armhole, and that's measuring around 14.5 inches, and I hope you guys are also following along with me. Measuring the center back. The center back is the distance between the neck, the back of the neck, to the waistline, and that's looking to be around 16 inches. Look at this tacky mess, guys. I was working with glue and I have it all over my hands. Like, who does that? So please ignore this. I'm a mess. The armhole circumference is measuring at 15 inches. Please be sure to hold your measuring tape tight to get the most accurate measurement. Measuring my neck circumference, we're at 16 inches even. Measuring the chest, I'm going to measure from left to right, from the center front armhole to the other side of the center front armhole, and that's looking to be measured around 13 inches. I am going to be measuring my front shoulder to bust point, and that's sometimes called your apex. That's looking to be about 9.5 inches on your princess seam. Back on those princess seams, I'm going to measure my front shoulder to waist, and I'm going to start from top to bottom. Don't forget to click that subscribe button if you have forgotten. I know it's easy to forget, but I'm here to remind you, subscribe. This is looking to be a measurement of 16 inches and 1/4. Now I'm to measure the bust point length from left to right, apex to apex. It is looking to be measuring about 7 inches even. Yay! It's time to measure a Z bust. So you want to make sure you get the accurate measurement by keeping your tape tight. As stated before, you just wrap it around your bust area, and this is measuring at 35.5 inches. Her waist is measured at 27 fabulous inches, honey. And these hips are 37, okay? Now, this shoulder to hem is measured at 29.5 inches. I took my time with this, you know, on my knees and everything. But yeah, I could not get a better visual for you guys. So I'm measuring shoulder to floor, and it's giving me 55 inches and a half. Lastly, my waist to floor is 40 inches even. So I hope that you all thoroughly enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Go ahead and comment. Let me know what you guys think. And go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. Trust me, it's going to be more fashion videos. It's going to be more sew-alongs. It's going to be more overall being glamorous. Okay, so go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and subscribe. Ladies, gentlemen, go ahead and subscribe and join the family. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you. Until another day. See you guys on the next video.